Alright, let's briefly talk about transformations of functions before we get into doing some of the examples. So say, for instance, we start off with a function that looks like this. F of x equals whatever. Right, could be anything. But now we need to shift that around a little bit. So we're going to define a new function called g of x that equals f of x plus some value, let's call it k. And k is a constant. If k is a constant outside of the function, so outside of the function, and it's positive, so if k is positive, the function f of x is shifted up. If k is negative, f of x is shifted down. Now, this is called vertical shift. We can also have horizontal shift, and that looks something like this. So you have g of x equals f of x plus k. Now, since it's inside the function, it's horizontal. So if k is positive, f of x gets shifted to the left. Counterintuitive, because left is usually associated with negative, but for whatever reason, if k is positive in there, f of x gets shifted to the left. And if k is negative, then f of x gets shifted to the right, which is the positive direction, but k is negative. So just remember that it's reverse of the vertical shift. Right, so let me write right here that this is the horizontal shift. Now these are just basic transformations. There are more, but this is a good way to dip our toe in before some basic examples.